We're going to be looking at my favorite type of investment property today, a quad. Let's dive in. Hey real estate investors, welcome to another episode of the Investment Properties for Sale show. I am your host, James Wise, and if you've been watching HoltonWise TV for any length of time, well, number one, if this is the first time you've ever watched HoltonWise TV, do yourself a favor right now and smash that subscribe button because we are bringing the hottest deals, the most profitable rental real estate in the United States to you guys every single day. And today's show is no different. So if you have watched a lot of HoltonWise TV, you know that my absolute favorite type of investment property is the quad. The reason being, guys, the number one reason we should want to invest our money in rental real estate is the financing, okay? There's no other business in the world where somebody's going to give you a 30-year fixed interest loan to invest in that business. The only downside to that type of financing that you can get with residential real estate is you're limited to 10 of those mortgages. So assuming that you own your own home, because you should always take care of home base first, don't listen to guys like Grant Cardone when they tell you you shouldn't own a home. That is bullshit, guys. Owning a home is the structure to your financial house. That is the base to your financial pyramid. But I don't want to get on a tangent about that. Just note that I firmly believe you should take care of home base. That leaves you with 9 residential mortgages. And the reason I love quads is that is the biggest building you can still get that residential loan. So why get 1 rental income check a month when you can get 4 rental income checks a month for every single one of those mortgages? Now, the property we've got for you guys today, 10007 Pelton. I think I added an extra 0 in there. 1007 Pelton. $299,900. This is in the best, literally the best, nicest neighborhood in the city of Cleveland, okay? This is the heart of Cleveland. You hear about the resurgence, all that jazz. We have the nicest possible location for you guys, the northernmost half of the Tremont neighborhood. Right here next to me, you'll see I have the comps up for you. These are actually all single-family comps. As you'll see, single-family homes are regularly selling for more than what we've priced this quad for. Now, a lot of you who watch HoltonWise TV know that I also happen to own a title company. It's called Black Tie Title. I am more or less a passive investor in Black Tie Title. Black Tie Title is ran by my partner, Nick Varner. A lot of you guys have seen him on the Investment Properties for Sale show. He regularly comes on the show because his day job is running Black Tie Title for us. He is essentially the CEO of that company. That's what he does during the day. And at night, he moonlights and he flips houses. His wife is also a realtor here at HoltonWise, and they have an entire team. In this property, 1007 Pelton, his team is offering that for sale. They are acting as the real estate broker for the current owner. So we have one of our realtors, Stephanie, from the Varner team. She actually took our film crew out to the property and did a guided tour. I want you guys to take a look at that footage right now.
I'm here at 1007 Pelton Avenue in Cleveland, Ohio. It is priced at $299,900. It is a fixer-upper. As you can see, if you look further down the street, we do have a lot of new construction going on, which does increase the property value here. We're gonna go inside unit 4 right now. It is vacant. We do have 2 of the available 4 units rented. Come on inside. We are outside of unit 4 in Pelton Avenue in Tremont. Tremont is one of the newer up-and-coming areas. You may have heard James talk about Gordon Square, Ohio City, Tremont. This particular building is in the heart of Tremont. Rents here for a 1-bedroom can go up to $1,000 a month. In order to do this, you would have to add some of the major upgrades that the more comparable units have in the area. You have the kitchen area, another room that would be used as a bedroom, and then you would swing back out here on the opposite side of the kitchen to find a very spacious bath. So, as you can see, this property needs a lot of work. It's priced at $299,900 again, but it is a lower priced for this area. When you buy a lower priced property in an area such as this, it's going to appreciate the more work you put into it, and you're going to get more money in rental income. Fast forward, as you can see, to these beautiful apartments right over here at the top of the street. So, if we can get the inside of that property to match the inside of this property, we can attract the same kind of clientele.
All right, guys, welcome back. Now, as Stephanie kind of, highlighted to you guys during that tour, the units, they need cosmetic renovations, okay? Because, what the tenants are currently paying, we got 2 tenants in there.
Rentec Direct provides you with an easy-to-use yet robust platform for managing your properties, complete with its built-in reporting and accounting system that can be customized to fit your business. You can manage work orders and even accept them online from your tenants. You can also share work order details with tenants or owners if you wish. With Rentec Direct, you'll also fill your vacancies faster than ever with the built-in marketing tools. Just enter the details of your property and Rentec will automatically provide you with a professional online website, as well as syndicate them to popular websites such as Zillow, Trulia, and Apartments.com to get your listing maximum exposure so it's rented fast.
HoltonWise has a worldwide audience of real estate investors. If you are a lender, home inspector, or anyone else with a real estate related business who would like to increase your sales and exposure with an ad in one of our videos, go to HoltonWise.com today.
And that's fucking garbage rent, okay? That is garbage rent for that neighborhood. As you see from all the footage, right? This is like literally the ugliest, worst, most ugly duckling home in the area. This is an area that was completely gentrified, right? You got all that new construction, all that high-end stuff. And these units, they look like shit, okay? And if your unit looks like shit, even if the neighborhood's going to be nice, you're still going to miss out. So what we need to do is we need to renovate those 2 vacant units. You guys got to deck these out, though. You guys can't just do like minimal stuff, because then you're still going to attract that low-end tenant. What we want to attract for this property is those high-earning professionals. And we're going to have like a very nice niche what we're going to do. Because, at the end of the day, this property is still an older property, so it's not going to be as nice as the new builds that are literally down the street. But what we can do is we can put about $20,000 into each of these units, okay? Make them nice. Give them the same type of finishes that you can see in those new builds. So we're going to deck it out. I'm talking undermount sinks, quartz countertops, everything brand new. Try to make these units as nice as humanly possible. And then we're going to be able to rent them for around $900 a month. That is going to be a little bit less than what that new construction's renting for, but it's still very nice, very high end. So you're going to get all the people that are attracted to that stuff, and then they're going to see your property is offering a relatively comparable product on the interior, okay, but at a slight discount. That is the niche we need to hit. So if you think about it, if you pick this bad boy up at $300,000, you eventually renovate all 4 units, you're going to be all in for $380,000. But you're going to be renting each of them at $900 a month. So what is that? That is $3,600 a month, okay, coming in. And this is a great property. Of course, you got to use the financing. It's a great property to use that financing, guys. This is a huge note. Let those tenants come in and pay off that note for you guys. Your ownership experience with this will be very smooth, very easy. These are not the kind of tenants that end up on our Tenants from Hell show, okay? These are high-earning young professionals who are willing to pay a premium to be right there in the heart of downtown Cleveland. So, If you guys want to make an offer on this property, the easiest way to do so would actually be able to reach out to the Varner team directly. You can talk to Nick's wife, you can talk to Stephanie, you might even be able to talk to Nick a little bit and shoot some ideas off of him, as again, when he's not running black tie title for us, he is flipping houses himself. So, you could bend his ear, get some investment advice from a fellow investor who's also doing another full-time job, which I know a lot of you guys are in that very same situation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put all of the Varner team contact info in the show notes. Just go ahead and reach out to them directly. I don't even want you guys to reach out to me about this property. They're going to have more information on the property than I will. So I want you to just hit them up directly. All right, guys, that's all we've got for you on today's show. If you found a lot of value in this show today, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. We need you to let YouTube's algorithm know that HoltonWise TV is bringing value to you. And if you were a first-time viewer who still hasn't done it yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. As always, I'm James Wise with HoltonWise, and this is real estate investing made easy.
Based in Indianapolis, Indiana, FS Houses is the premier investment property brokerage. With an in-house property management department that can take care of all those unwanted landlord headaches, FS Houses can offer you the complete turnkey solution as well as wholesale properties offered to you at a discounted rate. With a network of thousands of active investors, wholesalers, and brokers, FS Houses can help you sell your property for top dollar on the open market or in a hurry to motivated investors seeking distressed real estate. Visit fshouses.com or call 317-492-9025 for more information on the Indianapolis, Indiana real estate.
Cleveland, Ohio is widely considered to be one of the top rental markets in the entire United States. This is because here in Cleveland, our housing prices are low and our rental prices and demand are high. At HoltonWise, we provide the complete turnkey solution for all real estate investors, whether they are local, out of state, or even abroad. As real estate brokers, we will provide you with agent representation to help you buy properties ranging from single-family homes to large apartment complexes. We even have referrals for lenders who can provide investment property loans to investors located in all 50 states, allowing you to capitalize on the use of leverage or other people's money. We have referrals to top-notch title companies so you know that all of your transactions are safe and secure, with every single property being delivered to you with clear title. Once you close on the property, we have an investor-focused insurance brokerage who can handle all your property insurance needs. This insurance brokerage handles auto, home, life, and business policies, but they specialize in working with policies for landlords. We also have full-service property management. We can handle all rental property advertisements, tenant placement, rent collection, evictions, maintenance, landscaping, construction, and repairs. In addition, HoltonWise also offers digital media and education. One day, when you are ready to sell your investment, HoltonWise, as the #1 seller of investment properties in the greater Cleveland area, can market your property in a video just like this one to our worldwide base of investors who are looking to capitalize on the high cash flow opportunities in the Cleveland, Ohio market.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest content, including video tours and analysis of investment properties that are available for sale, real estate investment education, and our most interesting encounters with tenants from hell. HoltonWise, real estate investing made easy.